Let's make vegetable crackers to smash your cravings on your journey to getting swasth. Let's start with 2/3 cup of oats and a cup of rice flour. Since we're making two kinds of crackers, one base will be beetroot and another base will be methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. And because as South Indians, ragi holds a special place in our hearts, 1.5 tablespoons of ragi flour. Let's get started. Start by washing your beetroots well and peel them. Dice them into cubes measuring 1 to 1.5 inch each. Now instead of boiling beetroots, we are going to steam the vegetables using a steamer. Let it cook on the stove for 10 minutes. After it cools down, put it into a blender and make a puree of the beetroot. Now to make the base for the methi crackers, separate the methi leaves from the roots, wash them well and chop them. Now into a blender or a mixie, transfer the chopped methi leaves and blend it to form a puree. Meanwhile, the beetroots have been cooked. Let it cool down and make it into a puree as well. This step is optional depending upon the texture you need. If you want it to be crunchy, you can use the oats as such. But if you want them to be smooth, powder the oats into a flour. Now to make the dry mixture, into the powdered oats, I have added 1 cup of rice flour and we're blending the mixture well. We're also adding the ragi flour. I am transferring it into a mixing bowl for ease of use. Now to elevate the health, we're adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of muskmelon seeds, cumin powder, oregano, one tablespoon red chili powder, white pepper powder, salt to taste, crushed ajwain or carom seeds, some fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of baking powder, hing or asafoetida, and mix well. Now divide the mixture into 2 portions, one for the beetroot crackers and the other for the methi crackers. For the methi crackers, now add in the methi puree into the base and mix well. Similarly, for the beetroot crackers, use the base and some beetroot puree. Mix well to form a dough-like consistency, which will then be rolled and sliced to form the crackers. Roll the dough into thin sheets using a greased butter paper or aluminium foil. You can then cut the sheets into your desired shapes and bake it in the oven. Bake the chips for 6 minutes on each sides. Flip them after each round and store them in an airtight container. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and try out the recipes at home.